hearing on the Jagdish Tytler has been adjourned in the court. Jagdish Tytler, remember, a former Congress leader, his hearing has been adjourned in the court. This was a case regarding the 1984 Sikh riots, where he is one of the accused. His role in the 1984 riots was under the scanner by the SIT. However, the hearing today has been adjourned. Let me go across to our senior editor, Bhavtosh Singh, who's joining us. Bhavtosh, what happened today, and if it has been adjourned, till when?
Well, the hearing has got adjourned, and it's another long wait for the victims of 1984 pogrom. Remember, it was after a much long deliberation that the charge sheet in this case was filed in May by the Central Bureau of Investigation, and for the first time, the Central Bureau of Investigation has charge sheeted Jagdish Tytler, a senior Congress leader. There was, in fact, a Nanavati Commission of Inquiry that was set up by the government in 2000. Nanavati Commission of Inquiry in 2005 submitted its report. They said that of the 214 FIRs that have been filed in this case, 4 cases should be investigated by the Central Bureau of Investigation. In 2013, the Central Bureau of Investigation said that the case against Jagdish Tytler should be closed. However, the court refused to accept the inquiry report submitted by the CBI. And then in 2018, Manjeet Singh GK submitted a CD in which there was a conversation between a businessman and Jagdish Tytler. Now, the voice sample of Jagdish Tytler was taken by the CBI this April, and the statement of Manjeet Singh GK was again taken in May, after a very long time, after nearly 4 decades, that CBI submitted a charge sheet in this court here at Rouse Avenue, saying that Jagdish Tytler is guilty of the pogrom that happened in 1984, in which 3,000 Sikhs were brutally murdered on streets of Delhi, and that charge sheet was filed under various sections of IPC, including 302. Now, the question before the court is whether that charge sheet will be accepted or not. CBI sources say that they have made a watertight case. The case revolves around the brutal killing of 3 Sikhs because of the speeches that was given by senior Congress leader, including Jagdish Tytler, on the streets of Delhi. The crowd was instigated to an extent that the crowd went and burned down a Gurdwara in Pul Bangash, and 3 Sikhs died in the riots that broke out in the streets of Delhi.
Well, that's going to be interesting, because the people, the victims and their families have been waiting for many, many years now, for decades now, to try and get some kind of a closure. But what's interesting all along is Jagdish Tytler continues, remember, to play an active role in politics as well. He's still part of Congress, and there have been contentious issues and contentious events where he has turned up for the event. For example, there was a planning committee which was set up to look into Rahul Gandhi's Delhi leg of the Yatra, where Tytler had also been invited. Meanwhile, there's more breaking news which is coming in. Former DGPC chief has spoken exclusively to Times Now, saying that I've conducted 5 sting operations. Tytler had said, "Saw Sikh maar diye." In fact, Tytler had said that 150 crore rupees is there in Swiss accounts as well. This is what the allegations are coming in from the Sikh community. Listen in.
I have submitted 5 sting operations. In one, he says, "Saw Sikh maar diye." The other one, he is saying that मेरा 150 crore रुपया Swiss bank में पड़ा मेरे बेटे की कंपनी के अकाउंट के अंदर. The other one, he is saying, हाई कोर्ट के जजेस मैंने लगवाए हैं, मेरा क्या बिगड़ सकता है. They questioned me about this sting, from where did I get it and how did I get it, and also called Jagdish Tytler to take his voice sample for CFSL test. And all through these 40 years, 39 years, he's been saying that मेरा तो कहीं नाम ही नहीं आया, मैं तो कहीं involved भी नहीं हूँ. And CBI was in a hurry to give him clean chit in 2007, 2010, 2014. We forced them to withdraw these the clean chits and again investigate. Ultimately, today he's nailed. I think he's nailed. Rajiv Gandhi himself said, "Bada ped girta to dharti hilti hai." They never let the law process move on. They stalled it.
So the question is, CBI says that they have a watertight case, but will the court take cognizance of the charge sheet which they have filed? Well, we'll have to wait till the hearing next date. Thank you so much, Bhavtosh, for getting us those minute-by-minute updates. With that, a short break.